Hi, are you looking to make extra cash this summer? Are you tired of being broke? Are you tired of asking for money from mommy or daddy? Well, if you are, this video is for you. Hi, so here are 11 side hustles that you can implement or you can start to make extra cash this summer. Side hustle number 1 is learn a skill. Learn how to bake, learn how to sew. Or if you don't know how to do it and you have a friend who is good with sewing or who is good with baking, well, you can ask them to teach you, you can ask them to show you, and in that way, you can make extra cash. Side hustle number 2. Well, if you're that person who is good with baking or who is good with sewing, you can host a class. Host a cake training class for a month and people should pay you to attend the class. Host a sewing training class and people can pay you to attend the class. Side hustle number 3 is blogging. Well, you can make money through blogging from I think $4 to $7 just by blogging and writing and people visiting your blog site. You can use word process, you can read more on that, or you can use Google process. Side hustle number 3 is also content writing. Now, this one is if you're probably good with English, really good with English, you can accept proposals and you can write people's, proposals, or you can correct them and you can make as big as or as small as $400 to $700. Yeah, you can check it up. And I know a friend of mine that also did this, and well, she didn't really take it that serious at first, so she made small as $100 just through content writing or just through writing, going through proposal and all that. So yeah, side hustle number 4 is sell used items. You can start a thrift shop where you can sell used clothes, whatever item it is that needs to be sold and it's used, it's secondhand. You can be that person that people come to you and you can make extra cash. Side hustle number 5 is become a makeup artist. You're good with makeup. Turn it into a business and earn yourself some cash. You can even host a makeup class through that way, or you can be that person who does people's makeup, whether person is having a birthday, person is having a whatever party, whether they need makeup for whatsoever. Be that person that they call and they get their face beat by you, or host a makeup class. Yes, side hustle number 6 is photography. You have a phone, not a phone, you have a camera, or you're just looking into be that person who is offering this photography class or whatever. You see, you can sort of make money 2 ways. Either you have the skill or you don't have it. If you have the skill, you can give it out and as well make money through also taking pictures. You know what I'm saying? So you can make money 2 ways. Either hosting a class, teaching people how it is to handle cameras or how it is to take pictures, all those things that have to do with photography and all that. Or you can be that person that they call so you can take pictures, take their pictures of them and all that. Side hustle number 9 is rent your car. So many businesses don't have delivery cars, or they don't know how to get their products. Now people buy things, online or however it is. So rent out your car and turn it into a delivery sort of car, something like that. Yeah, and make money through that. Number 10 is manage small businesses. Use your social media. How I mean is you probably have a lot of followers on Instagram, you have a lot of followers on Facebook, or you have a lot of followers on Twitter. So you can say, you know what, I can promote your business through my storyline or through my social media, and you can pay me $20. It can start from $20, whatever amount is cool for you, depending on your followers. And through that, you can make extra cash. And the last one is clean houses. You can make money through this the easiest way. People don't like cleaning. Sometimes people are lazy. Sometimes they just don't want to do anything that has to do with cleaning. So you can be that person that, you know what, I have a cleaning business. Call me up. 1 room, $80, or clean your car, whatever it is that needs. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave me a comment below and let me know which one was your favorite or which one are you going to try out. And if you have any more side hustle ideas that I didn't mention, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. Otherwise, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Like this video and share it. Until next time, stay beautiful. Bye.